Hey there, fellow money-savvy folks. Today, we're diving into the 3 money habits that are keeping you broke and how to fix them. Because, let's face it, being broke is no fun. So, let's make a change, shall we? First up, the habit of spending more than you earn. This is a big one, my friends. It's time to start living within your means. How? By creating a budget and sticking to it. No more impulse buys or splurging on things you don't need. Next, the habit of not saving enough. It's time to start putting money away for a rainy day. Whether it's for an emergency fund or a fun vacation, having savings will give you peace of mind. Lastly, the habit of not investing in yourself. It's time to invest in your future. Whether it's education, skills, or personal development, investing in yourself is the best investment you can make. So, there you have it, folks. 3 money habits that are keeping you broke and how to fix them. Remember, it's never too late to make a change. Join VipLiveAlerts-Pro.com today and start making smarter decisions with your money. Ask yourself this question: do you want to have more money? If you answered yes, then look no further than VipLiveAlerts-Pro.com. Get started now. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more money-saving tips. Until next time, keep saving and investing in yourself.